Hi y'all, welcome back to my channel. So I'm so excited because today I am going to do my Sephora savings event haul. I could not wait to shop. This is the first year that I'm Rouge, which is like kind of a bad thing because that means that I obviously spend way too much money at Sephora, but because it was my first year as a Rouge member, I was like, I want to go and shop the first day of the sale just so I can make sure I get everything that I've been wanting and it doesn't sell out. So that's what we're gonna go over today. So I'm gonna share my haul, and then in my next video, I'm gonna do a get ready with me while I test these products out. So I'm so excited. I can't wait to see what y'all also have picked up. And then let me know also if you think that I picked up some good things. Obviously, I have not tested any of this out yet, so I'm not even sure how it's gonna work for me, but excited to show y'all what I picked up. So let's just dive right into it. Like literally, this is like my Super Bowl. It's just like, I did pick up a lot of things this sale, and I tried my hardest to like control myself, but I did pick up a lot of stuff. So don't judge me, just, yeah, I'm just excited to share. So let's just go ahead and get right into it. So my strategy when shopping this year was really trying to find and pick luxury items that I know I would never get discounts on. So that's why you'll probably see a lot of that in my haul. And I just find that obviously, like, I don't know, like YSL doesn't have that many sales. So I figured why not pick up the things I've been eyeing from brands like that during the sale right now. So the first thing is a little bit shocking for me. It may be shocking for you too. If you've been watching my videos, I feel like you may have heard me say that I hate highlighter or I hate looking shiny and glittery. But recently I picked up one of the Sephora favorites, like the bags that they have, and there was a highlighter stick in there for Merit, and I've been adding it to my skin, and I'm like, I low-key kind of like this. So I actually picked up the Dior Backstage Glow Face Palette. I always see everyone talking about this palette and how versatile it is and how amazing it is, and I was like, let me just pick it up and see if I would actually use it. So it has 4 different highlighting shades. It has a pinky one, a bronzy one, like a lighter one, and a white one. And I'm going to use this palette obviously mostly to highlight the my cheekbones, but then also I've seen people using it as an eyeshadow. So I'm really excited to play with this and just see how it will work. Again, I'm not a highlighter person, but I feel like going into the summer, I kind of want to have a little bit of a glow, and everyone always talks about this. People say this is like their holy grail. Also, this was really hard to find. I had to go to 2 Sephoras to find it. So I'm excited to try it. I have it in the color 001 Universal. If you have this, let me know if you like it, because again, I hear everyone talking about it. So I picked that up. I don't know how I'm going to feel about it, but we'll see. We'll see how it goes when I test all of this out. Okay, so the next thing I got was the Natasha Denona Mini Eye Sculpt palette. I had shared in my wish list video that I made that I really wanted this. I think it's just going to be a nice little everyday palette. And I only have like big Natasha palettes, so I thought it would be good to pick up one of these like little ones. And I love that there's a black in here because I feel like not a lot of palettes have blacks. I also got rid of my Makeup by Mario, like the essential, you know, the one with all the mattes. I got rid of that. So I don't know. I am not a huge fan of Mario eyeshadows. Like, I think they're okay, but I wanted to get something like this from Natasha because I don't have anything like it. So I'm excited to test these out, and I love that this is like $24, so it's pretty affordable, and I got a discount on it too, so that's a win. Okay, so the next thing I got is the YSL All Hours Hyper Bronzer. I was really excited about this as well. I got it in the shade 03. I don't know if this is too light. I kind of feel like it is, but I also don't want like a dark red toned bronzer because I already have my Giorgio Armani one that I feel is very like red toned, more like sun-kissed. I wanted more of a natural one. So I think this is fine, but also like look at this packaging. It looks like my purse. I have a YSL purse that looks similar to this, and it feels nice. Like it feels like they actually put like nice leather in here. So I love the packaging. It just feels so luxe. And yeah, so we'll test this out. Again, I got this in the color 003, or I'm sorry, 03. What is it? It's called 03 Golden Medina. So I don't know. I don't think I want to get the shade 4 though, because I looked at the shade 4 and it was like really red, and I think 3 is going to work for me, but we'll just have to test it out. Okay, so the next thing I got, this was actually a impulse buy. When these came out, was like, I don't need that. But then I swatched it at Sephora yesterday and I put it on my eye and I loved it. So I got the Patrick Ta Major Dimensions Eye Illusion Eyeshadow Duo, and I got mine in the color Do You Know Who I Am? I wanted this one just because I felt like when I was swatching it, this duo was the one that felt the most like it gave you a kind of wet look on the eyes. So that's the reason I picked this up, because I wanted an eyeshadow that I could sweep on that kind of gave me that wet look. I don't have shadows that look like that, so that's why I picked this up. And I feel like for the summer, it's going to be really nice to pair like a very just neutral toned eye with like some shimmer like this. I think it's gonna be really, really nice, but I'm excited to test these out. I guess I'll swatch it for y'all so you can see. So I will say I'm a little concerned that these are gonna dry out. Some of them feel drier than others, but they give off the most beautiful shine. I don't know if the camera is gonna let you see that, but I'm excited to test these out. I think they're gonna look so pretty. And I feel like this color was the one that gave off the best like wet look. Loved this. There was a couple of other ones that I swatched that I wasn't like super impressed with, but for $42, I really hope this gives me the look I am going for. So we'll test that out too. Okay, so the next thing I got is the Dior Rosy Glow blush in the color Cherry. I have never had a Dior blush, so I really wanted to try this cherry color. I don't even think that I put this in my wish list when I shared my wish list with y'all, but then I saw Casey Holmes here on YouTube say that she loved this blush, so I was like, wait, I kind of want that. So this is in the color, like I said, Cherry. It looks really intense in the pan, but I've been hearing that it doesn't actually look that intense on your cheeks, and I've kind of been looking for like a red blush, and I think this one is like a red coral, so I think it's gonna look really pretty and I really like it, so excited to try that out. Did I need a new blush? No, and I kept telling myself like, don't buy any more powder blushes, get more liquid or cream blushes because I don't have a lot of those. And guess what? I did not even follow my own rules, so I just love blush, so whatever. But after this, I'm not buying any more blush. Like literally, I do not need any more blush. So I told myself that it was okay because it was on the sale, but I will not be purchasing any more blush. Seriously, I have too many. Okay, so I got another blush, and I got the Kosas Blushes Life in the color Dreamland. I've been wanting this blush for the longest time, and I just never picked it up. And I was talking to the girl at Sephora, and she was like, I feel like Dreamland would look so nice on your skin tone. So that's what I picked up, and I'm excited to test this out. I can't return this one because I got $10 off, because I had points left over, or like I had points accumulated, and she was like, if you return it, you don't get your points, so I better like this. I have wanted one of these Kosas blushes for the longest time, and this looks really nice. I really like my the Say blush that I got, that is like their baked blush as well, but I'm excited to try Kosas as well. And Dreamland, it just looks like a very neutral, pretty color, so looking forward to testing that out. I almost got Thrill. I think that was the other color that I really liked, but I think Dreamland is like one of their like best sellers, so I figured why not try out the bestseller. So I have that. So I already got two blushes. So the next thing I got was the YSL Love Shine Candy Glaze. I have been wanting this for the longest time. I had a sample of it and it already ran out. So I got this, and like literally look how beautiful this looks. The packaging is so luxe, and I got it in 002. So it's just the clear one. The reason I got this is because I find that this gives such a beautiful shine, and I feel like if I have a lip liner on and just add this on, it just looks so pretty. I like that it has like a blue hint to it, so it's like a pinky blue. So I love that, and I'm so excited to have this in my purse. It's gonna look so nice, and it's just so luxurious. Like that's why I was telling y'all, like I really wanted to pick up items like this that I know never go on sale, and I'm glad I got to have at least 20% off. So got that. Then I also got the YSL Lash Clash Mascara. I have been wanting to try this brown mascara forever, so I got it in the color 2, and it's in their brown color, and I'm just like in my brown mascara era, and I hear that this one is really good. It better be good because it was $30-something, and I don't like spending my money on mascara. I mean, it looks super nice. Obviously, it's YSL, but I'm gonna put this to the test because it was obviously it's expensive. So right now I've just been using an Essence one, and I like it, but I want something more brown, and I don't think my Essence one is brown, and this brown looks really like rich, and so that's why I picked that one up. So we'll see. We'll definitely test it out. Okay, so the next thing I got is the Huda Beauty Easy Bake Setting Spray. I need a new setting spray, and I wanted to try this one. I got the mini one just because I want to see if I like it, and then if I like it, I'll go back and get the full-size one. I still have some of my Charlotte Tilbury setting spray, but I'm almost out, so I got this, and we'll see how it works. Is there... Oh. It has like a... It's interesting. It has like a something in there. I don't know what it is. I tried the one size and it was way too matte for... Is this matte? Okay, good. I tried the one size and it was so matte. I hated how it made my skin feel, but I hear everyone loves that one. I just couldn't do it. Okay, so the next thing I got is my perfume that I picked up. So I originally was going to get Soft Spot by Fleur, but they apparently don't sell it at Sephora, so I have to order it online. So that is not part of my haul, but I will be ordering that online. But I wanted to pick up a test size of a scent that I've never owned. I did pick up the new Glossier Fleur, and I picked it up and I had to return it. Like, it just smelled like it's not for me. I actually don't even like the original Glossier U, and I find that Glossier Fleur smells like a second version of that, and it smells good, but I don't think it smells good on me. I will forever love Glossier Dew. Like, it just smells amazing, and I think I'm just probably only gonna like that scent from them for now, at least. But yeah, U Fleur is just not for me. It does smell good, but it was offensive to me after a while, and also it's not something that you can smell like from far away. You have to be really close up to smell. So I was like, let me just return it. So I ended up getting Clean Whipped Cherry. Oh my God, this smells so good. And I actually really like the clean scent. I used to have the Nectarine one and it was really good as well. I was going to buy it in full size and then I just never did. But this one smells so delicious. I don't know what the notes are on here, but it's just a whipped cherry smell. It smells fresh, but like so good and summery, but with a hint of like fruitiness, and I don't know, I'm like not doing a good job of describing this, but it smells so good. If you have not smelled this, I would recommend. I think it's gonna be a really good summer perfume, so I'm excited to wear that. The next thing I got is the Westman Atelier A Baby Cheeks Blush Stick in the color Bichette. I hear so many people talking about this, and I was like, you know what, let me pick it up because Westman is pricey. So I am excited. This is another like red cream blush, and I have just been really wanting to wear more colors like this. So excited to test this out. It feels very soft, and also like the packaging, look how luxe that is. Like, wow. It just feels so nice and I really like it. So I am looking forward to testing that out. I played with it a little bit in the store and it blends out really nice. But I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to not apply it directly on my cheek just to make sure that it doesn't pull on my foundation. I heard it doesn't, but you know, just to play it safe. And that is the only cream liquid blush I got. I was going to get the YSL one, and then they didn't have the color I wanted. And then the Hourglass ones also didn't have the color I wanted. And then I was like, with the Hourglass ones, I don't want to be putting things on my hand. I'm sorry, like that just annoys me. So that's why I didn't get it. I still want the YSL one and I may go back and get it. But for now, I think that I got enough blush. So okay, the next thing I got is a refill of my Wow Extra Strength Dream Coat. I love this stuff. I find that it really has helped my hair with frizzing, and just like I used to get out of the shower and my hair was so frizzy and I could not do any, like I'd have to be like constantly putting product on it and it still was so frizzy. But I find that this and the way leave-in conditioner along with this after the shower have been such a game changer for my hair, and I love it. So I just picked up like another mini size. It lasts me a long time, so I don't find that I need the big size. Okay, the next thing I got is the Merit Signature Lip Pencil, and I got it in the color Beverly Hills, I think. Okay, so what I was thinking is I really wanted a lip liner that wasn't too intense. Sometimes I line my lips and I feel like it's too much when I'm not wearing a lipstick. So lately I've been wearing the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk a lot because I feel like it's so close to my lips that it doesn't look intense. It's what I'm wearing today. But this one also looks really nice. And I like that it is a, like, you don't have to sharpen it. It's just a very, I don't even think you can see that, but it's very sheer almost. And the girl at Sephora said that I can line my whole lips and fill them in with this, and then, you know, just put like a gloss over it. So it's kind of what I wanted. I also was looking at the Kosas ones. I hear a lot of people like those. And I'm trying to look to see how much product this has, because I heard someone say it doesn't have a lot, but I feel like it does. I don't want to take all of it out because I don't want it to break on me. But also, like, I love Merit's packaging. It feels so luxe. And I love that. I love the gold packaging. And then I think it comes with a sharpener. Or what is this? Is this a sharpener? I think so. But why would I need to sharpen it? No, I don't think this is a sharpener. I heard someone say it came with something at the end. I don't know. Either way, I am excited to test this out and see how this works on my lips. And the last two things were just some samples that I got for, like, I just redeemed my points. And I got the Summer Fridays Cloud Dew Gel Cream Moisturizer. I thought this was a little mini lip gloss, so I probably would not have picked this up if I knew that it was a moisturizer, but I'm still excited to test it out. And then I also got a little of the Clean Whipped Cherry. I redeemed it so that I could put it in my bag, and it's just like their little roll-ons. I love these. I don't usually like roll-ons, but I like the clean ones. I've had multiple of them, so I'm just gonna pop this into my purse and then keep my travel size one just like in my perfume area. And I feel like this is gonna be a perfume I buy full size of. Like, I can just already tell. I will say it doesn't last. I don't feel like it lasts super, super long, but I still smell it on myself. So I feel like that's like all that matters. But my husband said I smelled good, so I feel like that's a win too. So that is everything I picked up for my haul. I'm going to try to not buy anything else. Obviously, I'm going to test these products out, see how they work out for me. If they don't work out, I mean, obviously I'll return some things, but I really hope everything works out. And the only other thing I really want to get is my Fleur Soft Spot perfume, and then maybe a YSL liquid blush. I feel like I got a lot of blush though, so I just don't know. But yeah, that's everything that I picked up during the Sephora sale. I am so excited to see what everyone else is picking up. If you think I picked up good things, let me know down in the comments below. And I'm excited to share a try on of all these things as well. So that will be my next video. But for now, I hope that y'all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.